Hi, my name is Yuri and I'm a general contractor with Miracle Dream Homes. I've been working for Miracle Dream Homes since 2004, so at the time of this video, just a little over 16 years. My work started from working on site, doing the actual renovations, basements, kitchens, bathrooms. In 2010, I moved to the position of a project coordinator. We managed 6 crews doing installations for Lowe's, and in 2020, I am still doing some project coordination as well as doing marketing for Miracle Dream Homes. So you will see me on some of these videos. Outside of work, I enjoy various types of outdoor activities, from skiing and snowshoeing in the wintertime to cycling and motorcycle in the summertime. Year-round, I enjoy going to the gym. What most people don't know about me, well, I guess that I like playing chess. We have 2 Yuris in the company, and every other Friday, Yuri, as I call him 2.0, comes over and we play a game of chess or 2. I want to say that I'm better, but somehow he wins more, and he might do one of these videos and say the same thing, so it's up to you who you're going to believe. Besides that, I hope to continue working for Miracle Dream Homes. It's a great company, it's got great people, and I only have big plans for this company. This is my story. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.